Welcome to the Crypto Nest. All right, so this video, many people will not like it because I'm going to look at the scenario that, because I have a few requests and then asking me what's my bullish scenario. Well, actually, for the moment, I have zero bullish scenario because, we kind of did an ABC. And after that, yeah, we did a new lower low. Let me double check here if it's the same. Oh, yeah, it's different chart. Okay, let me scratch that. So we did an ABC, and we all know is not super reliable. Yes, we did another A overshooting a B and a C for a potential wave 2, but then the third wave is supposed to be the most impulsive one, and we are still waiting. Once again, this is supposed to be ABC. Sorry if I move more. What? I want to do that. So waiting for this third wave here to materialize, and for the moment, it's not happening. I don't know why. Okay, here we go. Yeah, so I have no bullish scenario for the moment because price is just moving on the side. And I think yesterday I did a video on that, so I don't have any bullishness scenario until this price doesn't start to break out. I'm going to start to believe that something more bullish is happening if we can manage, first of all, to reach this higher level here of this potential allegedly wave 1. So then maybe by doing micro counting we can make it work. But my real scenario, I would say that something really okay, now something can happen now. It would be if we reach higher than 9 cents, 9 cent 2, 3, 4 to be exact. This is my second level where the price, okay, now we start talking, at least we're breaking some previous resistance. But for the moment, it's just going on the side, big triangle. We have two touching points here, so this trend line is not very strong. This one, it's kind of start to be strong. It has been challenged many times and failed. The positive things about that is the more you bang it, the more it gets fragile. But on the other side, the more you try to bang it, the more you get exhausted. So this could go both sides. Now, can we go and touch the last another time the lower upper trend line, and after that the uptrend line? I'm sorry, and after that go for it. Possibly we can, but if we keep doing that, then I'm expecting price to go lower. And yeah, the next target is going to be on the lower side. I'm going to put in orange. Actually, let me put in red, honestly. That's 3 cents 3. And then honestly, if we lose that level and it doesn't react as a support, then I don't have any bullishness anymore, because after that more likely we will go back to this level here, and then where I mean, let me go back on this one now. So if we lose this level, it's pretty much done. No more bullishness. Prepare for the impact, my friends. So yeah, meme coins are fun, but they're not Solana, they're not Bitcoin, they're not Ethereum. Also, if you have really a strong conviction on, let's say, for example, I have a strong conviction on Cardano ADA, so I'm holding it more than one cycle, and yes, I'm making some money, yes, I'm staking, this and that. Am I going to get rid of everything in this cycle top? Probably not. Probably because I do like Cardano vision. It's really way ahead, looking 20, 30 years ahead. When they build something, it's major. It's like if they're trying to build a highway, I don't know, of 16 lanes, but it's just a small town of 4,000 people. because they believe that the village is going to become a freaking city, like, you know, like Los Angeles. So I do respect people that they, you know, they have conviction, but to, you know, get married to Brett, yeah, I don't know, I don't see it, because Brett doesn't do nothing in life. It's cute, it can make money fast, but it can also make you lose money and make you bankrupt also very fast. So you need to be very careful. You know, at the end of the day, you know, I'm not a financial advice. This is a friendly suggestion. Do people get rich with bread? Maybe. I don't know any. You know, I don't know any that was able to retire with bread. I know people that got retired with Bitcoin, with Ethereum, but bread, unfortunately, not really. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hopefully I didn't discourage you or depress you. Am I saying, you know, bread is going to go to zero and it will not make a higher high? No, I'm not saying that, but we need to be very, very, very cautious. Yeah, eventually altcoins is going to pop up. Let's talk about fear and greed today. I think this one update by itself. Let me go and check. 66. And yeah, so you can see that we are still on 66. We are on the greed territory. People are not panicking, so that's very good. Altcoin season, once again. What happened with that? I prefer the graph. Where is the graph? Let me refresh a little bit. There you go. When was the time to buy altcoins? Well, you know, everybody is looking for the altcoin season here, but this is pretty much the euphoria, and this is the time to take profits. You know, in my humble opinion, when is the time to buy? Well, if price action, it looks good, and the chart here, it looks oversold, then for me, it's this is how you prepare for the altcoin season. When we are officially into the altcoin season, so anywhere higher than 75, 80, 90, sometimes we don't even reach 90, okay? So this is the time to start to take profits. If people wait that we reach 75 to get some altcoins, then I think they got that wrong. Anyway, this is what I think. Leave comments if you think that I'm wrong. Alright, so this is pretty much all I wanted to share with you guys. I think today there are some reports here. Let me check here. Today we are 28. 28. Maybe let me refresh it. Is it too early? This is supposed already to be, no, that's September. Seriously, what happened? 28, okay, Thursday, GDP, actual, previous. So we are higher than estimated. Is there other things? Canadian, not really. Yeah, okay, there isn't much. Tomorrow, GDP for Canada. PCE, okay, so let's see that on tomorrow, 8:30. That's going to be a nice interested. So the forecast is 0.2 and the previous ones was 0.3. Let's see how it's going to go with that one. And now it's jumping, yeah, because there is holiday on the 1st, and then nothing, balance of trade, nothing. I'm not going to do them all, but I think the next FOMC meeting is on the 15th or 16th of September, so then we're going to check that as well. I will be in vacation. I will try to do my best to do some, if I can do some video on my laptop, if I find a way that doesn't lag, I will try to do that. Otherwise, I'm going to just update charts on a Discord channel, and if I have anything to share, I will put it on the announcement channel, and there you go for today. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And have a good day. Bye.